Hi, welcome back. Today is the last video of my Halloween makeup look series, so I decided to do this glam gypsy slash fortune teller look. So if you want to see the complete result, please keep on watching. But first, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Today I'm going to start with the brows. I'm using the e.l.f. Lock-On Liner and Brow Cream in the color medium brown. For this look, I want a well-defined and a slightly darker eyebrows that I normally use. Now I'm using the Maybelline Brow Precise Pencil in the color Light. I'm using this pencil to clean out the edges of the brows and make them look more defined and polished. To prime my eyelids, I'm using the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer in the color 10N. Now I'm using tape to help me as a guide and to create that kind of sharp edges with the eyeshadows. Today I'm using the Natasha Denona Bronze Palette and I'll start with the color Sundown. I'm placing this color all over my eyelid with a fluffy brush. You will see that I'll go back to this brush quite often to make sure that all the eyeshadows are blended perfectly. Now I'm using the color Magma. I'll place this color focusing the outer corners, and when I have almost no product on my brush, I'll drag it towards the center of the eyelid. To darken even more the outer corners, I'm using the color Deep Dive. With this color, I want to create that smokiness that I'm looking for this look. To add some sparkle to this look, I'm using the color Alloy and I'm going to apply it with my finger in the center and inner corner of my eyelid. Now I'm using the e.l.f. Liquid Glitter Eyeshadow in the color 24K Gold. I'm using this as an eyeshadow topper to intensify and add more like shine to the gold eyeshadow I applied before. The eye look is almost done, so I'm going to remove the tape and clean out all the fallout so I can move to the complexion. To prime my face, today I'm using the Tatcha's The Silk Canvas Primer. For foundation, I'm mixing my Kick-Ass All Day Wear Foundation in the shade 1 with the Cover FX Glitter Drops in the color Nova. With this, I want to create a dewy, luminous skin look that will stay even when I set my face with powder. To set the base for my contouring, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Suede. I'm using the same brush that I use with my foundation to make sure everything is pretty even and blended. Now for concealer, I'm using the same Pretty Fresh concealer from Colourpop that I used before to prep my eyelids. To set the foundation and concealer in place, I'm using the Becca's Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. Now I'll be using the Essence Contouring Duo Palette in the color Lighter Skin to define even more the contours of my face. For blush, I'm using the Alamar Cosmetics Colorete Blush Trio in the color Fair Light. I'll mix the three colors of this palette. Coming back to the eyes, I'm going to recreate the same color pattern of the top eyelid in the lower lash line. Now I'm using the Makeup Forever waterproof eyeliner pencil in the color 1. I'm using this in the lower lash line, and I'm using the dark eyeshadow that I used before to smudge the eyeliner. To create a dramatic wing line, I'm using the Hank & Harry Longwear liquid eyeliner in the color Blackity Black. I'm going to use this same eyeliner to create a small wing or like triangle in the inner corners as well. Now I'll be using the Look So Natural fake lashes and the lash glue liner from Kiss. For mascara, I'm using the Urban Decay Lash Freak. Now for highlighter, I'm using the same Cover FX glitter drops in Nova. I'm applying it with the Beauty Blender to make sure that I'm not lifting the makeup underneath. Lastly, moving to the lips, I'm using the KKW Beauty Lip Liner in the color Nude 1 and the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink in the color Globetrotter. And here is the complete look. I hope you enjoyed this Halloween makeup look series as much as I did. See you in my next video, and before you leave, please don't forget to subscribe. Bye!